Hello, my name is Luis Ángel González Marrias. I am 20 years old. During my last vacation, I went to France, my home to visit the parents and help our own family. I visited tourism sport and lagos. Uh, I used to go to at Chin It's Algo to enjoy traditional dishes again are like homey with pork, tamales with cheese, etc. This semester I'm going to do my best all my async courses and fulfill my responsibility. Uh, Thanks.